So guys, welcome. By the way, welcome. And if you're new and you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. You can like, share, and also comment if you want. We will be looking this at our USDJPY, and let's see where the price will be moving for the next day. Starting with our weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, we'll start from our weekly time frame to the 1 hour time frame. So this weekly time frame, which means we need to actually stay to the end to actually get this analysis properly. To understand this, you need to stay to the end and to be able to understand it and why we'll be taking the trade. This weekly time frame, since we are bullish, right? First of all, we saw impulse move upward. This is an impulse move here. Had a correction, came to our 10-period moving average. We saw another impulse move. There was a correction, right? We have gotten another impulse move again on this USDJPY, which is an indication we are on uptrend move. One, price is now above the 10-period moving average. So this period moving average you are seeing is 10, so the shortest one, which is above it. So if it is above 10 period moving average, then it is above our 20 and 50 and everything. So I use 10, which is the shortest one. So it is above it. We should look to go long on this weekly time frame. Now we'll go down to our daily time frame. Now this daily time frame is where we would want to place this our trade. So watch and understand carefully. So see it this way. On this daily time frame, this is an impulse move, right? Now we see that this our price is now above 10-period moving average. Also notice again that this USDJPY is now kind of rejecting here multiple times. We saw it start at this level area, it's dropped. It came to this level area again and it is dropping. So basically, when you think we will see it to drop again, very much likely we would want to see to take out this lows, this huge candlestick wick here. This huge candlestick here you are seeing here, we very much wanted to see to drop to that level, which will be giving us about, we still have about 150 plus pips USD drop more we need to have again. You see, I'll tell you why I said we'll be expecting that drop. So we are still expecting about 150 pips drop more. We are expecting on this our USDJPY. Reason is that, let's go down to our JPY index. Now see it this way. We will start from the daily time frame to analyze it better. See this USDJPY full trend. We are on a bearish move, right? So basically, we are on a bearish move. So we are having impulse move downward, a correction, impulse move downward, a correction. So now we add this impulse move down. We add this to this level, right? Then we add a correction again to this level. So we add the impulse move again to this level and we add the correction. So basically, at some points on this daily time frame, price was actually ranging, which means it was failing to break below this support level and it was failing to break above this resistance level. So price was kind of ranging within this area. So we add another drop to our support level. Then we saw another impulse move to this our resistance level. Then we add another drop. We're also expecting to go bullish, right? But guess what? Our price broke below the our JPY index. Do you now see that now it is now bearish? So see it this way. Our JPY index is now bearish, which means the JPY PS is now bearish. So if you want to trade this JPY to any other PS, we would want to go bullish while the JPY will go bearish, right? So we all know something about when we have a breakout, we will be expecting a retest, which means once price break out from any level, we will be expecting a retest. So now see it, price broke below support level and we are expecting for a retest again, which means our price will actually roll up to test this our support level again and get a drop. Do you now see it now? So basically, this our JPY index, what are we having now? We are now having that retest level. We saw price closed green yesterday. Today we see prices has actually opened and closed green. So the next day, which is 15, we are very much likely to open and close green again. So we would want to see this JPY index actually roll up to take out the support level here. So basically, once the JPY index is rolling up to take this support level price broke out from, then we'll be expecting a drop on this our USD JPY. So basically, once that JPY index is giving us that bullish move, then the USD would actually be going bearish. So very much likely, that's why I said we're very much likely to get this 150 plus pips drop. So to take out this huge candlestick wick here. After it, we would want to see a rally move. Kind of see it like our price is now ranging on this daily time frame. See, this is the resistance level. This is the support, this huge wick here. Then we roll up to this resistance level. We saw it come to this support again, this huge wick, right? We saw this resistance level. What are we expecting again? To actually drop to this huge wick, which will be our support level. So that is about 150 pips more drop we are expecting on this USDJPY. Now, to actually place this trade, to actually enter this trade, we actually go to our 4-hour time frame. So what does the 4-hour time frame says? 4-hour time frame says we are ranging. So once price comes to this level, we tend to see drop to this level. So it's we tend to see to come to this support level and resistance level. So what are we on now? We are expecting a drop again to take out this resistance, this is our support level, sorry. So we still have about, that is still 150 plus pips. So it's still a confirmation our USDJPY will still be dropping. So basically this 4-hour time frame, it might not give us that huge drop, but we might see something like this, an impulse move here, a little bit of a correction. A lot of trader might be thinking we are going bullish, but in fact we are not. Then we'll be getting another impulse move again to take out this lows, this support level. After the price take out this support level, they will be expecting another impulse move to take out this resistance level. So basically, to create this trade, we will see it on this 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame says we are ranging, which means you must range with it. So range with the 4-hour time frame. Now down to the 1-hour time frame. What does it say? Still bearish move. See from this ice here, there was an ice here, 1-hour time frame, right? See this huge week, a correction was made around there. We saw another drop on this 1-hour time frame, good amount of drop. There was a correction here. We saw another drop again. Now we are on a correction level. Once the correction level is over, then we'll be expecting another drop again on this USDJPY. So basically, daily time frame says we should actually look for a way to short it. So this is daily time frame. Basically, daily time frame says we should short it to this huge wick here. 4-hour time frame is even showing us that we are ranging and we should actually short it to this support level. Now 1-hour time frame says we should actually short it down to this wick here and take it out. So basically USDJPY, we are expecting a drop.